Hi friends, in this video I will teach you how to create a super cool flight and hotel booking website with Amadeus and hotel APIs. This is not an affiliate website. This website is completely handled by you. On this website, customer can book hotels, flights and all the travel related services. You don't need any coding or programming knowledge to create this website. Watch the video till the end. By the end of this video, you can simply create your own flight booking website. If a customer click on a hotel booking service, if they click on a hotel and they can select the room and they can choose the price and room, all these things they can choose, the customers can choose, and they can complete the billing details. They can enter all the details and the travelers information, all these things, and they can check out with the available payment options. You can use PayPal, Razorpay, Stripe, etc. as payment gateway. Once a customer books a room, they can see all their details like this, and they can download the PDF invoice like this, and the customer can send it on WhatsApp. So all these options are available, so they can save and they can go to the proceed option and they can complete the payment option. Like this, customer can search flights on our website. If a customer click on the flight option, and they can choose the one way or round way, and they can choose the airport and destination, all these things it can be searched on our website itself. So the customer can choose the date and they can choose the options like this. They can use the class like economy, premium, business class, etc., and they can choose the departure date and travelers and all these things, and they can search on our website, and the flighters will be shown to the customer, and the customer can see all the flights details and they can book their ticket on our website itself. So the customer can select the flight from here, all the duration and all the flight details customer can see. So they can select the flight and they can add the billing information and all these things, and they can just complete the checkout. Like this, what we are done on the hotel section, all these things can be done on the flights also. So they can continue to the booking section and they can download the invoice details here. Like this, the flight details, they can just book it and they can download the PDF, and the customer can send the WhatsApp option and they can proceed to checkout. If they proceed to checkout, they can complete the payment with PayPal or any other payment options which is available. Like this, we can see all the bookings on our dashboard like this, and this is the mobile view of our website. If a customer visit on our website with mobile phone, this is the mobile view, and it's a completely mobile optimized website, and all the details customer can access on mobile. So it's mobile friendly, so the customer can choose the flight and they can book through mobile phone. So they can use the flight details here, they can see the flight details and they can complete the checkout. Okay guys, to create this website, it's super simple. You don't need any programming or coding knowledge. So we can go to the video and check how we can create this website. Okay guys, to create this website, first you need to buy a domain and hosting. Domain means your website name, and hosting means the space for keeping all the files. And you can buy two things, this domain and hosting. So you can go to Hostinger and you can buy any premium or business or cloud startup plan. So you can choose your plan here and you can buy the domain and hosting. Once you buy this domain and hosting, you will get a control panel like this. Here you can set up the database. You can see the database management option. There you can create the database details, and you can upload the files. The link for getting the file I'll give on the description box, so you can buy it from there and you can upload the files there. Once you upload the files on your file manager on your control panel, you can extract the files. You can extract the file as you are seeing in the video, and you can just move all these files to your main folder, which is public HTML. And if you are using for a subdomain, then you can just move it to the subdomain folder. After that, go to your main domain name and you can see all these installation options, and you can add all these required details and you can install this script. You can see you can add the business name and all these details. Once your installation is successful, you can just log into your dashboard. This is your dashboard, and you can just set up all the settings. All these settings are, you can just enable or disable all these things, and you can upload your logo file here. You can upload the logos and the favorite icon, and all these things you can manage here. You can change the default color, website color, theme color, all these things you can change here. Once you are done that, click on update settings, then only the changes will be take place. And all these guest booking options and user registration, all these options you can enable or disable according to your business requirement. Okay guys, now you can go to the user roles section, and if you want you can create new user roles. By default there are few user roles are available. And the next important step is payment settings. So you can go to the payment settings and you can set up for the PayPal. Go to the PayPal website and you can create an account. Select the business account there. For individual account you can't receive the payment, so create a business account with your details. Okay, once you are done that, go to your PayPal dashboard and you can see the PayPal API section, developer.paypal.com. so you can set up your payment gateway there. And once you log in there, you can see you can create an API for your website. So click on API credentials, and there you can see create an app option. Click on create app. Here you can create an app for your website. Click on create app. Then you can just copy this API and API secret, client ID and secret key. You can just copy that and paste it on your website settings. It's super simple. You can just copy and paste it and click on submit. You can also add the credentials section. You can add your app name there. Just replace that and click on submit. Like this you can set up any payment gateway like Razorpay, etc. You can just go to the Razorpay website and you can just set up the Razorpay payment gateway. Go to the API settings and you can just create the API. Okay, once you are done that, you can also create the currencies. If you want, you can create your own currency there. You can just enable, you can click on add new and enable the currency, and you can add the country. You can select your country and you can just Google your currency rate and you can add it on our website and click on save. And like this you can go to the default currency. You can set up the default currency option here and go to the email settings and you can set up the email options, API credentials. So go to this website and you can create the email setup, and you can add the countries if you want. and the module section. This is very important section. So to get the hotel booking API, you can go to this website, hotel API settings, and you can go to the this website. The link I will give on the description box, and you can register for a key, API key, and you can just log in with the link they have sent on your email. So you can just log in, and there you will get your API key. Just copy the API key and the secret and all these things. You can just copy and replace it on your website. And now go to the Amadeus section. You can enable or disable all these options. So go to the Amadeus settings and go to Amadeus website, and you can just register for an account. You can create an account. It's simple. Once you create an account, you can sign in and go to the developers portal, and you can create a new app, and you can give an app name and click on create. Once you create the API key, you can just copy and paste it on your website. Just copy and paste the API keys on your website. Just copy the API secret and paste it on your website and click on submit. Okay, now the information is updated. Like this, you can change the banner images. You can upload the PNG images and upload it on the settings area. Once you are done that, you can see all your bookings here, transactions here, and tours, cabs, cars options are available. Like this, you can add on the CMS page, you can add new pages. You can add a refund policy page. You can add any page, and you can go to ChatGPT and you can create the pages. And if you want the add the HTML page, you can use the ChatGPT to create a HTML page, and you can add it on our website. Once you copy the ChatGPT content, you can just copy it and paste it on your page. Just paste the content from ChatGPT and click on submit. Now the information is updated, and now you can update it on the CMS menu section, and you can also edit the footer and header section. Now this is the final output of your website. Okay guys, thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, please subscribe the channel.